always checking if your YouTube channel have issue, checking your analysis, checking your YouTube studio is really going to help you. See, some people don't even know their way around YouTube studio. See, if you're in this category, do well to leave a comment in the comment section, and I'm going to make a separate video for you about that. Because some people don't even check their YouTube studio, they don't check their analysis, they don't even know when something is wrong with their page, they don't even know when their page is shadow banned. But don't worry, that's what I am here for, and that's what this video is all about. Hi, I'm Chioma. Welcome to my channel. And if it's the first time of coming across this page, you're welcome. And on this page, I talk about how to grow on your YouTube or your social media platform, how to make money online, and how to edit your videos. So if this is what you're interested in, do what to like, subscribe to join this wonderful community. And when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bar on so that you notify whenever a new video is being uploaded. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to check if your YouTube channel is shadow banned and how to rectify the issue. And see, most of you remember when you post video and you do your thumbnail nice and you do your editing, your title, your search engine, like everything is in a perfect shape, but your video don't improve. It seems as if you are stuck in that gel. You know, over TikTok we call it the 200 view gel. Like over TikTok, that's what to call it. But here, it looks as if you are stuck. It looks as if you're not moving forward. It looks as if like there is no progress in your view. Then you need to check if your video is shadow banned. So please don't start checking your YouTube studio to check when there's issue wrong with it, because we don't want when we are working, we are not seeing that effort. It can make you lose hope. It can make you like stop showing up what it feels like. Because at the first time when I started posting video on this page, like I can post video and in days nobody will view that one particular video. I had to like take up the issue by myself. I had to like chat the YouTube support team and everything about it. Don't worry, that's what I'll be teaching you in today's video. So now let's go over it.
So now we're going to be going to the Chrome, because that's what we're going to be using, or any search engine, but I'm going to make use of Chrome. Then we will now type YT checker. That's what we're going to type, YT checker, because that's the website you're going to be using. Then the first one you're going to see, that's ytlarge.com. You click on it. Then we're going to wait for it to load, because this is the website we are going to use to check about your page, to check your channel and everything you need to know about your channel. Then this is what it looks like, and this is what it is going to show you. Now you're going to go back to your YouTube channel. Now let's go to our YouTube channel. Click, then we'll now click on this three icon and click on share and copy the link. Now there is something I want to tell you. If you have not reached 1000 subscribers, this is not going to work for you. Like for example, you can see my YouTube channel, I have just 22 subscribers. Now I'm going to paste the link here. Okay, then we are going to fill in this, put the number that is here, 444, enter. We are going to wait for it to load. You can see in this website you can check your monetization status, you can check your status, you can check the financial performance, that's how much a channel earn and everything. Okay, now you can see this is the channel. This says the channel monetization status off. You can settle when the channel subscriber counts exceeds 900, we will check the analysis as are not active on the channel. That's trying to tell you that my channel has not been monetized, it has not yet started running. And this is the things you need to know, how many videos I have and everything. Then that's basically it. Now let's now use a channel that has passed 900 subscribers. Let's go over to my second channel. I'm not going to paste my second channel. Which I will now write out the number, enter. Let's wait for it to load. Now this is my first channel, my other channel, you can see the channel Chioma Abebe is monetized. This channel is perceived as original because everything I post there is myself, original content. Ads are running. This is the category of the channel, and this is where this channel is located: Nigeria, then religions, then these are my tags. Then this is the subscriber count I have and how many views I have and everything. And this is like how much the website thinks I'm earning. But it's a lie, yo. So this is how much the website thinks I'm earning. So please, it's a lie. Don't mind this website. Is a lie. It's not true for mine. I don't know about others, but in my own case, this is not rhyming with what I have or how much I have earned from that channel. So now, what I want you to know about this website is that this website, you have to reach at least 900 subscribers. So now in a case that when your channel has not gotten up to that 900 subscribers now, but you know within you that your channel is stuck in one place, like when you post video, it is stuck in just 20 views, stuck in 10 views and the rest, but you know you're consistent within you, not once a month. No, you know you're consistent and your channel is not doing better. Now let me now tell you how to solve this issue. Now we're going to be going over our YouTube studio. We're going to log into our YouTube studio so that we can go and report about it, chat them up and everything there is. Now when you go to your YouTube studio, the website, we're going to wait for it to load. Then when it loads, all you're going to do, this is very easy. See, if by now if you have not understood your YouTube studio, you need to start understanding it. And if you are still here at this point of this video, please do well to subscribe and do well to give this video a thumbs up. The situation where your views are stuck, you will click here, you will click on this N option, you will click on this N icon, click on this N icon. That's the one that has the dollar sign. You will wait for it to load, then you will click on this. You wait for it to load, then you will click on this chat and email support. Chat and email support. This is very easy for you to understand. Now all you just have to do, you are going to see the chat button and you are going to see the email button. Now if you want to chat them through email so that they reply you back through email, you will click here, then you will click and know how you will sign in, or then you sign in and do the feedback. But me, I like going through chat. I'll just click on this chat option, then you can see chat in Arabic, chat in Chinese, chat in English. I'm now going to click on chat in English because English is what I speak. Now I'm not going to copy that YouTube channel link that I want to talk about. You now copy out that YouTube link and paste it here. Get? Is there a, then you now answer the question, is your issue about a specific video? No, because I want to know why my channel is stuck, or if it's about just one video is not doing well, you click on yes. But let's say I want to know, I will not say no. Do not say when did this issue occur. I'll be like this year. How can we help you? You know, I want to know why my views are stuck. My views are stuck. Oh my god, my views are stuck. Then you now click on start chat. Is that easy? Then you are going to have the opportunity to chat with them, to ask your question and everything. You see, creating chat section. Now it has started. Now I can chat them, complain my issue or anything about it. Complain my issue or anything about it. You can see. Let's the network. See, just subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of details to teach you. You can see, hi, my name is Jane. How are you doing today? I will now say I'm fine. I'm fine, and you? You can see, I will not say yes. I want to say it looks as if my views are stalked. Oh God, are stalked. I want to know if there is a problem wrong with my channel. Like, you can see I'm just texting and they are replying me like, is that easy? So this is it. I see, thanks for confirming. So they are going to reply you. They are going to help you out with your issues. They are going to help you rectify all the issues you have. You can see. So this is it. You can either chat them or you email them. Some people might see this chat option, some people might not. So you either chat. If you see the chat option, you chat them and talk with them one-on-one. But if you don't see the chat option, what you're seeing is the email option. You email them and they are going to reply you back and help you to attend to your issue. So this is it about how to check if your page is shadow banned, why your views are stalked, or if there's any problem at all on your channel that you want to rectify the issues. So this is it on how to go about it. You can see she said, let me help you check on this. So this is it.
It's on how to check if your YouTube channel is shadow banned and how to rectify the issue. And I hope you find this video helpful. And if you find this video helpful, please do what to like, subscribe to join this wonderful community. And when you subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. It means a lot to me and it gives me the morale to come back here and post more videos for you guys like this. And please, if you have any question concerning your YouTube channel or anything you want me to make video about, do what to leave the question in the comment section, and trust me, I will make video on that. And also, I'll be doing a vlog match challenge that's posting every day on this YouTube channel. So please, if you want me to do any video on anything, or you have issue on anything, you want me to talk about it, do what to leave a comment in the comment section, and I'm actually going to include it in my December vlogmas. So thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.